Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you are a subscriber to my channel, you would notice that I have been off or not so active for the past 6 months. The reason being is that a lot of these airdrops, okay, are scam that will just waste your time. And there's also one case that or so many cases that my trust wallet has been hacked, that I lose several coins in there. So that is why I stopped doing those airdrops. But I still had some pretty good tokens in my Trust Wallet. But what I did is I convert uh, majority of my coins into BNB, okay, and then I transferred it into my Binance wallet. So moving on, guys, I was able to find this game 6 months ago, which is called Mir4. So this game is play to earn. There are several number of ways for you to earn money from this game, and the good thing is you can play this game for free. You don't have to spend any amount of money for you to start with this game. So if you're interested with this game, guys, and you want to know the strategies and the do's and don'ts in playing this game, then let's get started.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you want to learn or be updated about anything that has to do with earning money online, cryptocurrency, law of attraction, and a lot more, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you and enjoy watching.
So first things first, guys, you need to download this app or this game into your computer or into your cell phone. So you just need to remember, guys, that you are only allowed to have the maximum of 4 accounts. Okay. So for example, if you have downloaded this app into your computer, you are allowed to play at least 2 accounts for this, and the third account will be using Steam. Okay, and the fourth account will be on your handphone. So the total is 4 accounts. If you create more than 4 accounts, then there is a big possibility that you will get banned. So if you're done, guys, the next thing is you need to use your Gmail account, guys, for you to create an account, because that will be the same Gmail account that you will use to register for your Remix account. So if you have 4 accounts, guys, this is the safest way. If you have 4 accounts, then you must have at least 4 Remix account, because later on you will be needing that Remix account for you to transfer the tokens or the earnings that you gain from playing this game. So now, guys, that we have downloaded this app, then what we need to do now is to create our account. Okay, so like what I've told you, you must sign up using your Gmail account. Then after that, guys, you can look for a server that you want in here. Okay, so you can choose whatever server that you want, as long as it is still allowed to create an account on that server. Okay, so all of those green ones, that means you can still create an account on that. But if it is red, then you cannot create an account on that. That means the server is already full. So let's try to create an account in, let's say, this one. Let's try this 22. Okay, so select, and then tap the screen. So here, guys, you will have 5 choices. You can create an account using a warrior, sorcerer, Taoist, lancer, or arbalist. So there are so many differences for these 5 characters actually. If you want if you want more power, okay, then you can create warrior or lancer. If you want to level up fast, then you can create an arbalist, okay, and or even a sorcerer. And if you want to be a healer type, okay, so that means you can create Taoist character. Okay, so those are the differences. So let's try a lancer or maybe a warrior. Okay, so just select warrior, and then here you can customize the look. If you want to be a long hair or a short hair, then it's up to you guys. So let's try this, maybe this one. Okay, then dye outfit, you can select here, recommended, maybe that one's good, then complete. Then after that, guys, create your character. Okay, and you can put your name. Okay, so let's try this test. GTE test. Yes. Okay, so confirm. Open the GTE test. Confirm. Then it's done. Then you can create or start the game. This if you want, and you will be guided here accordingly on what to do or how to play this game. Like
가상패드를
this one, if you
움직여
want to walk,
이동하세요.
you will use your W keyboard, A for sideward left, and this one for the right, and this down. So I will click W, then it will walk towards here. Okay, so this will be the start, guys, and just follow along the way and you will be able to reach a higher level. Be sure that you follow all of these quests. Okay,
잠깐!
okay, so what you just need to do, guys, is follow along your main story quests in this area, okay, until you reach level 10. In level 10 you will be able to join a clan, and then level 18 you can enter the valley. This is from where you can mine dark steel. Okay, and then in level 40, that is the only time that you will be able to sell items in the market, including smelting of dark steel. Okay, and convert your dark steel into Draco or Hydra and convert those into real cash. So your main goal here at the moment is to reach at least level 40. So what you need to do, guys, is be sure that you clear all of the main missions. So your main missions will be, if you click the mission here, you can click this. If you click the mission, and then you will see here, these are the required missions, and these are the daily missions. So it is not advisable to do daily missions, only except if you really want the item. But you need to finish all of these required missions. This will be the required missions. Okay, so you need to finish all of the required missions and just ignore these daily missions. So if you're done with the field missions, go to elite missions, then labyrinth mission, and then valley mission until you reach level 40. And when you're already at level 40, guys, you can go to portal and magic square. Okay, so in magic square, guys, you will be able to reach this first floor. So what you can do is you can go to training chamber, experience chamber, and anyway, anywhere of the two for you to level up faster. Okay, so that is what you need to do for you to reach level 40 as fast as you can. If you just follow along with this, guys, you will be able to reach at least level 40 within 24 hours. So what I just did during those times is I just finished all of my daily required missions, and then after that, when the magic square portal is already open for me, then I went into the training chamber or experience chamber for me to level up fast. Just be sure that you have enough vigor. Okay, so this vigor will help you to at least accumulate more EXP or experience for you to level up. So the Vigor, if you already have the plan, you can purchase it from shop. Okay, this is the Vigor. Okay, this is the Vigor. Okay, this will help you to boost your EXP for you to level up faster. So be sure that when you are doing your missions or your Magic Square entry, be sure that you have Vigor. So how to recharge your Vigor? What you can do is go to task, okay, daily task, and be sure that you have at least completed 10 tasks for that day, and you will have free Vigor. So in my level, I am able to get at least 5 rare Vigor every day for completing this task. So just follow along the list in here, and you will be able to get your free Vigor. And if you have clan coins, then you can purchase from your clan shop. And you can also mine ore or gather herbs for you to recharge your Vigor. And you can also join raids for you to get your Vigor. So one more thing, guys, if you reach level 40, you will be able to change class. So that means, let's say during the account creation, you have chosen to create a warrior class, and then later on, upon playing, you realize that you want to have to be at least an arbalist class. So in level 40, guys, you will be able to change class, provided that you will have to pay 1 million copper. I believe it's 1 million. Let's check. System. Oh no, no, not here. Skills class, and then switch class. So in this one, guys, you will be able to change class. So let's say from warrior, you can change class to sorcerer, taoist, arbalist, or lancer. So that is when you reach level 40. Okay, so guys, in the next video we will talk about these decks, the stone decks, the spirit decks, the armor, okay, the weapon, how to build it, how to craft it, what are the things that you must remember when you are crafting, and regarding what is the use of these decks, okay, how to create these decks. So see you guys on the next video, and thank you for watching.
Thank you so much again, guys, for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, always keep safe, and God bless.